RedShark NAB 2024 coverage is sponsored by...
Welcome to the DJI booth at NAB 2024. Let's show you what we got. Over here, we've got our fly cage specifically for the Avata 2. Avata 2 is our latest FPV drone. This is liberating FPV for everybody to use. We've got the most comfortable goggles that have ever been used on any FPV drone with picture-in-picture. We got cameras on the front of the goggles so you can actually see what's going on around you, make sure you're safe, and if somebody's talking to you, you can actually see them too. I also have to say, for somebody with glasses, it is my favorite set of goggles to use. I got built-in diopters so I can dial in my vision, and the new Motion Control 3, which you have right over here, I can actually, it's much more ergonomic, and I can do flips. I can do easy acro. This is the coolest mode. If you want to roll, if you want to flip, it's ready to go. Now let's check out, for the anniversary of the Ronin, we got 10 years of Ronin. We've got some brand new products to show you. Right back here, we've got the RS4 Pro, the complete expansion system that'll take you from a camera gimbal all the way up to the full-on cable camera that we have inside of our simulated train car here. But I would be remiss if I didn't mention the brand new Focus Pro system. So Focus Pro is going to be our way to be able to put LiDAR Pro, the brand new LiDAR rangefinder from DJI, onto the smallest cameras like an FX3, a ZVE1, or all the way up to an ARRI, a big camera, 3 motors so that you can actually control the full phase, focus, iris, zoom. Let's check it out on a big lens. This is probably not what you're using, but look how great that looks. We've got 3 motors, 1 for the focus, 1 for the iris, 1 for the zoom, and I've got full control right here. So I can pull focus, I can rack focus. I'm using the DJI Video Transmission to see what I'm doing, adjust my iris on the go, and you can see we've got this really nice train setup so I can actually zoom in. There's the meet cute right there, and let's zoom in on our actress. So if you can get down here, come check this out. If not, pick one up yourself. It is the best way to focus and have a large team get that awesome content that we want you to create.